There we go. All right, next step. We're gonna want these up here. And if I just put that one's actually too big. I need the smaller one. I'm just gonna use this small one here. Now what I wanna do though is this is too low. What I need to do is actually raise this up a little bit. So beer, what does the beer usually has? A foamy top. So what I wanna do is just take some of these pillars here. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to end up putting this inside and want to raise it up. Let's see. Take a ruler here. And I want it to be not quite, let me show you the ruler here. That's an inch. That's a little tall for the foam on the beer. So we're going to do about 3/4 of an inch. So I need my pen. This is where I was holding it. There's 1 inch, 3/4 of an inch right there. Okay, so I need to cut all 3 at that height. I like to use my PVC pipe cutter you get at the hardware store. These have to be cuttable columns though. You can't just use, there's some plastic that will just shatter on you when you try to cut it with these. If you have that kind of plastic, then you have to use a knife. Okay, let me actually pull these down here. Put the tray to the side of it. Now on this, these are pretty cheap plastic, so I'm hoping that this hot glue gun isn't too hot for them. So I'm just going to put a little glue on the bottom and hope that it doesn't melt all the way through. Okay. Okay, so take the hot glue, cup 1, 2, and 3.